Okay, these are areas every miner must take seriously if you really want to go far in mining Torium. In mining Torium, this is what is called daily streak. Or daily streak is how continuous your mining is. You make sure that you continue to mine without skipping a day. It starts from day 1 to day 7. And the more you continue to mine without skipping, the more your mining, the more the boost cycle or the higher your boost cycle. You can see that when you're on day 1, your boost is 10%, 2% on day, I mean 15% on day 2, day 3 is 20%, day 4 25%, day 5 is 30%, day 6 40, and day 7 50%. So you discover that when you mine continuously and the higher you go, the higher the boosting percentage. So any miner who is serious must take this streak very serious. To mine without skipping the day or to mine without skipping the days is very, very important. It helps in boosting your minings as well. Then the next one is, which is also very important, you don't skip, is that of bringing new people to mining. You always make sure that you refer people. You you pick this link or the code, and then you share it or you share it on your social media. You invite new persons to join. Any new invite or new persons that join through your link, you will obtain 10 tour immediately. I mean, immediately after the person uh, has completed uh, 3 mining cycle successfully. So that is also very important. And as they are mining, there is little percentage of their minings which the network is giving to um, those that refer them. So it's also very important. You take it very serious. Another areas which is also very important is that of the league challenge, where the network groups 30 miners in each group to 31 for them to compete for a reward. So you see, here we have about 31 participants in this group, and everyone or everybody is mining seriously and is competing for a reward. So you see, it's at the end of the day, those who are in top 1, top 2, and 3 we also go host with a very good reward if they are able to maintain the position. So you see the person in top 1 is going homes with about 6,000 toll. The person in top 2 or the rank position 2 is going homes with will be going home with 4,080 toll. And the persons which is the rank position 3 will be going homes to with 20,000, I mean 2,882 at the end of the day, and others also like that. You can see what other people also will be able to get depending on their position. But what you do here is that you always try to work hard so that you will be in a very good position, so that at the end of the season or at the end of the 7 days, which is the cycle or the complete which is the end of the session, then you will be able to end strong and obtain a very good reward at the end of it. So you don't neglect this. If you are already on diamond, I'm already on diamond, you are computing to earn those reward. But if you are on any rank like bronze, at the end of the day, if you are amongst the top 10 to be promoted to silver, if you're on silver, at the end of the day, if you are among the top 10, you'll be promoted to um, the gold, and then to platinum, and then the diamond in that order. So what you do is that at the end of the sessions, if you are not among the top 10, mind you, you won't be promoted the next rank, but rather you will be left to maintain the rank which you are already on. So for you to proceed or for you to ascend in this mining journey, you make sure that you know all this time, you take them seriously as you continue to mine. So you see, Here is very important because when you are competing, you take note of this. This is the coin that you are mining daily, and here is the task that you perform, the reward that you get for task that you perform. Here is the reward you get for task that you perform, while here is the reward you get for each valid referral that you have. So if you have one referral is going to be multiplied by 500. If you have two referrals, that is 1,000. Three referrals, 1,500, because a referral is multiplied by 500. Then for task, each task you perform is going to be multiplied by 200. If you perform 5 tasks, that means you are going to have 1,000 for 5 tasks, and in that order. So when you're participating very well, you are mining very well consistently, at the end of the day, you'll be having a good number of coins in your tool mine, and then a good number of coins in your tax performance, and good number of coins in your referrals, and that will help you to end well in your what? In your mining as well. There is also another area which is not good to neglect. When you are in this platform, it's also good. This is where miners or members of Torium network, they converge to do what? To discuss, to chat. It's a global chat for Torium network. So miners converged or come to this place to chat, ask questions on things which they don't understand, so that they can get clarification, they can get more light, to share your ideas, share your challenges in this place, and then uh, they are cleared for you. So that is what it means. Then another areas which I also want you to take serious or to be cognizant of is the wallet. Wallet is also very important. When you are just joining, you make sure that you set your wallet. The wallet is in two parts. You have the testnet wallet, and then you have the mainnet wallet. In the testnet wallet, this is where your test coins reside. Test coins in this place are the coins without value, but the ones in the mainnet is the main Tor that you are mining. At the end of the day, it will be moved or transferred toward to the mainnet wallet, while the testnet will, for the meantime, be holding the test store, which does not have value. These ones are given to you for you to always use this to learn how to transfer and how to receive coin on Torium network and wallet. So that is what it means. Very important again is is the is the home. Here you have other things we do. This is where you do what? You click to see the tax that you participate in order to earn some tool as well. So you also take that place very serious. Yes, here you have X tax, you have Facebook task, you have Instagram taxes to perform, and then you have other tasks on TikTok, the YouTube, and then the Telegram. You make a post in Telegram, you copy the link, you bring it here, then you enter. You make a post to what you call it, TikTok, Instagram, and like that. At the end of the day, you bring the link, you put it uh, here. You bring the link from the TikTok post which you've made, and you input it here, and then you receive your reward at the end of the day. Mind you, daily activities or activities here, airdrop activities resets every day. That is resets by 12 UTC 00. That is the night, 12 midnight, it resets. That is what happens here. So if tasks are reset or tasks are given in a day and you don't do them, mind you, they are going to reset again by 12 midnight. So these are the areas that are very, very key in these Torium networks, which every miner who is serious and who is conscious to accelerate fast must take note of. Thank you.